Meaning of hypnotism.
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 Hypnotism. Hypnotism refers to a state of consciousness induced by a hypnotist, in which the individual becomes highly responsive to suggestion or direction. During such a state, the person is more open to accepting ideas and may experience an altered sense of reality. Hypnotism can be used for therapeutic purposes, such as treating anxiety or addiction, or for entertainment purposes, like stage hypnosis shows. Although its efficacy and mechanisms are still not fully understood, hypnotism has been studied extensively and has shown promise in various areas of medicine and psychology.